Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Fortnite fan and have been struggling to play it on your iPhone or iPad because it's no longer available on the App Store, don't worry, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Fortnite on your iOS device using a free certificate. Finally, Fortnite can be installed on all iOS devices using AltStore, sideloadly or Scarlet using free certificate without pay anything. I found the IP of files on this X account. So, follow this step to download it. First, download the Fortnite patched IP of files. You can check the link download on description. After downloaded, you can sideload Fortnite patched using esign or Scarlet. If you don't have a esign app, you can check the link on description. I will share to you how to get esign. Then open esign, then import Fortnite patched IP of files. Then go to Apps section, then click Signature. Fortnite will automatically install. Then open Fortnite. As you can see, there is no limitation, error, or crash messages when you open the Fortnite game. Then Fortnite will install the patch so you can download the patch, then play the Fortnite game. For more proof, you can also install Fortnite games using AltStore or sideloadly. Here, I will show you how to install it using sideloadly. First, install sideloadly on your computer. Download the IPA Fortnite patched on your computer. Then, open sideloadly. Connect your device to computer via USB cable. Then drag and drop the Fortnite IP file into sideloadly. Insert your Apple ID to install it on your device. And the last, click Start and wait till the Fortnite game's automatically installed on your device. After Fortnite is installed, you may be asked to verify it. You can verify it by going to Settings, General, VPN, and Device Management. Then click Trust the Fortnite games. And now you can open Fortnite and install the patch to play Fortnite using free certificate without buy private certificate or U-Region. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helped you get Fortnite back on your device. Let me know in the comments if you run into any issues or need more help with the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.